Okay, so I thought I'd do just a quick little video here on the mirrors and the exhaust, which sounds pretty much like it's open right now. Yeah, that's closed. That's open. All right, let's see how these mirrors work. So I wanted to see something visual when it's locked, because I have a habit of locking it as I'm walking away and I can't see the lights and I can't, obviously there's no chirp, so there's the remote. Okay, lock. And they fold closed. See what it looks like from the back here. Oh, this sun's killing me again. Alright. Unlock. They open up. That's what I was shooting for.